Rowserworld. I just did that. That was not cool. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna draw the little baby girl. Is she cute? Oh my goodness. Well, listen here, man. Yeah. Let's see here. Okay. I know, ain't she? Yeah. I'm telling you, man. I got one word to describe her dad. Broke. Because he ain't got no money left. That's it. It's done. All the... Can I get some... What? You got some money? I don't got nothing, man. You mean, how you ain't got no money, man? Well, what had happened was... I'm just putting a little baby hairs in here. Ain't that little baby hairs? Her little baby hairs. Baby hairs. Baby hairs. Alright, guys. I'm getting warmed up here. I'm in a... Okay. Now we're gonna do some. Let's do a little nose shape. Let's give her a little and a button nose, and two eyes made out of coal. Okay. Let's give her a little bit of a. Let's give her a little bit of. Nah, we don't want to give her no attitude. We want to give her just. We just want to make her right. We don't. She's too. She don't have no attitude. In fact, it's probably a high probability she's never done anything wrong ever in life. Okay. And I was thinking, what can I do? You know what I got to do? I got to be thinking basic shapes, right? I got to be thinking basic shapes. All right, so I was thinking about my little rhombus shape there. Uh-oh, what was that? Oh, I gotta turn this off. Sorry about that, guys. Somebody just went outside. Dang it. I forgot to turn it off. Okay. Let's put some little eyelashes here. Okay. Alright, let me see here. Okay. Doesn't she have big eyes? Now I could have went with really with a lot bigger of an eye there, but you know what? I'm gonna use this Sharpie here and just kind of darken in the features methodically. I'm gonna be like the Method Man from the Wu-Tang Clan right now. All right, let me see here. Go ahead and darken those eyelashes in, eyebrows in. Oh, see, we working now. We working. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. All right, let me see here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of shadows here. Let's go ahead and color those eyebrows in. Give her a little bit of light in those eyes. There we go. Alright, and we're gonna just kind of do a little bit of contouring of the face here. There we go. There she is. That's it right there. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead here and kind of on the side of the face here. Okay. Today, guys, I decided to do some models. You know, I remember when I was when I was younger. I was at a hotel one time. Was just going there. I don't know. I think I was working for a company. Yeah, I was. And so they had a sign. Models wanted. And what I figured, well, if anybody can be a model, it certainly was going to be me, right? And I went in there and I tried to be a model, and well, I'm a cartoon artist now. Didn't work out that well, right? Yeah, let me give her some more eyelashes here. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I got you, Derek. All you gotta do once again is send the photo, share it with me on Instagram or Facebook, and then it's 15 if you want a personal drawing. I got you. Okay. Let me see here. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the hair real quick. So, what do we want to do the hair? Well, she got kind of light colored here. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this marker here. Let me make sure that it's at the blend that I want it. And let's go ahead and make her a little bit bigger here so you guys can see. Okay. So that's a pretty good stroke right there. See how it kind of can go from. So that looks like something I can work with. So let's check it out here. Let's check it out. Okay. So we just coloring in the hair here, guys. This is Rowser's patented hair technique. Oh, this right here is all about how much pressure you apply. Right? People ask me about thick and thin lines, and I tell them, well, if you think about it, this is me touching the paper, right? And then this is me not touching the paper. And somewhere in between here is a light touch, and then there's no touch. So you got to learn how to put the pressure between none and then a little bit and then a lot more and then a little bit more, and then we got to work up to. It's just learning how to do that. Look, see, if you do this is a good exercise to be able to learn how to do that, right? Just work with dots at first. Dot, 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 right? Got it. All right, let's go ahead and do the sides here. Okay. I don't have to have it exactly like the picture. Just, you know what I mean? I want a nice little blend going on there. Nice little blend. There we go. So I'm gonna do like this here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, just let me go around the outside of that again there. Okay, just around the outside. Okay, and then we're gonna do this like this here. Bring it around. I think I'm just about done here. So what am I looking for? I think I'm going to use this little marker here. This is a little thin Sharpie, and I'll use this to do the little hair line she got down there. And this way I don't have to worry about doing anything that's overly thick, right? So anyway, that's my little cartoon of the little one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Did you comb her hair? I just did it. I combed her hair. I got it. Yes. Okay. So I think I'm done with this one. I got a nice warm up in. I like the way that came out. You know what I mean? A little bit of something there for you. All right, and this, I guess we gotta give her some shoulders, right, or something. So we can do like this, all right, and then we can put like our little soft triangle. That's how you do baby shoulders, right there. Then you just do like a little bit of. Let me see, you can do like that. There we go. You see that? Oh, look at her little baby shoulders. Okay. All right, and I'm just gonna. Oh wait a minute, darn it! I gotta get this marker out here. Keep these Sharpies on deck. These are some of my. This is my chisel tip, so I can just use this to do a little blouse right there. Okay, and there you have it, my friend. We've done it. We did it. We done it. We done did it. Okay. Oh man, little Rouse is he's doing wonderful. He just actually let me put 20. He actually had a little had to have a blood transfusion yesterday, but it was, they said that's typical because he was, how early he was born. So that was good. All right. So guys, that was our warm.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.